Good morning, class 4. I am your computer teacher. So, today we are going to start a new chapter in computer, and that is chapter number 2, computer memory. So, what is computer memory? Memory means the things, if you can remember that and again recall that, it's called your memory. Suppose you have learned the spellings of your English book. Now, afterwards, when your mom asked you that what are the spellings, and if you could tell the spellings properly, then she will tell that you have a good memory. So, like that, computer too has a good memory. Let's see what are those. Let's begin with the chapter. So, in this chapter, we are going to know what is the meaning of computer memory, how many types of computer memory are there, and how many types of primary memory are there, and bits and bytes. Nita loves to memorize poems. She learns them and often recites them in front of others. So, Rita loves to learn poems, and not only she loves to learn it, then she used to recite that poem in front of everyone. This has made her popular amongst friends and relatives. Popular means famous. So she has become famous for her poems, for her recitation. One day, Nitin asked her, "How can you remember so? Don't you forget to this looking storage?" Okay, device. So one day, Nitin was asking that how can you remember so many poems? Means she used to tell all the poems to everyone. So no one is asking, can you? How it's possible? Them. Don't you forget? So Nitin was curious to know that how could she remember so many poems. So at that time, Nita jokingly means in funny way replied, told that her brain as you all are having brain, she is also having brain, is her storage device means where she could store everything. So brain is her storage device. I store whatever I learn in it. So Nita is telling that whatever I used to learn, I can store them. Whenever I have to recite, I retrieve a poem from my storage device. So whenever she wants to recite anything, she retrieve means she bring that poem out from her storage device. Although Nita said this jokingly, it is quite true. But if Nita said this in a funny way, but actually this is true. Your brain is your storage device. Yes, our brain is our storage device. Here only we used to save everything. It has a huge memory. In fact, it has unlimited memory. Brain can store unlimited information. You store a lot of information in it. However, with passage of time, means with the prolonged period of time, you do forget certain things. Yes, if we do not read it once more or revise it once more, we will opt to forget those. This means that the human memory is volatile. So, what do you mean by volatile? If you learn something and then after a passage of time, if you forget those, then that's called your volatile. Human memory is volatile. So, today up to here, next day I will do the next page. Thank you.